Hey crew, today's video will be a stuffed hush puppy. And here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have brown eggs, seasoned blend, milk, hush puppy mix, and we have crab claw meat. If you like to see this full video, please stay tuned. And also, if you're new to the channel and seeing this for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. And once you do so, click the bell and set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. And also, don't forget to like and comment on this video. Let's jump into our stuffed hush puppies. Alright crew, so we have our pot on a medium heat. We're going to go in with 3.5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. We're going to let that melt down. It shouldn't take long. Okay, so while our butter is melting, we're going to go on with 1 1/4 cup of our frozen seasoned blend, which is nothing but the Holy Trinity, bell pepper, onion, and celery. And we're going to season this to taste. We're just going to go in with a little bit of black pepper, salt, and a little bit of Creole seasoning. Okay, so the game plan for this, we don't want to really cook this. We want to warm it up and bring the flavors to life. Then we'll go in with our crab claw meat. So I'm going to let this cook down and I'll be back. Alright crew, so our peppers, onions, and celery has been cooking down. Our seasoning blend. So we went in with 1 1/4 cup of seasoned blend. We have a whole pound of crab claw meat. We're gonna go in with a 1/2 pound. We don't want to really overstuff the hush puppy. We just want to add enough to it, you know, where it's perfect. So I have my crab claw meat here that I washed and cleaned and went through. We're going to go in with half of this. And we just want to warm this up. And we're going to add a little bit more seasoning. So we're going to only go in with our Creole seasoning. A little bit, like a teaspoon. Alright, so we're going to turn this off. And we're going to take it off the heat. Like I said, we only just want to warm it through. And we're about to move on to the next step, so y'all stay tuned. Alright crew, so we're going to jump into the second part of this video. We're going to actually mix our hush puppies. So we have our crab meat mix right here. Have our hush puppy mix. We have milk. And we have an egg. That's all we need. And we're going to have some crab meat stuffed hush puppies. I know somebody might be like, huh? Stuffed hush puppies? Hey, this gonna take your hush puppy game to the next level. And I guarantee you, people gonna be like, hey, you make them hush puppies? Yeah, that's how it is. So let's jump into this. So we're gonna take our hush puppy mix and put it into our bowl. We're gonna add our 1 egg. Now we're gonna go in with our crab mixture. And we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of milk. A tad bit more milk, about a tablespoon of milk. So this is our crab clout stuffed hush puppy mixture. We're gonna get the deep fryer warmed up, and then we'll start dropping them, so y'all stay tuned. Alright crew, so we have our grease at 350 degrees in the deep fryer. We're gonna start dropping our crab clout stuffed hush puppies. And I have a 3 tablespoon scoop here. You can use one smaller, and if you do, it'll make between 20 to 30. But our goal is to make 6 to 8 with our 3 tablespoon scoop. So we're gonna drop our basket and we're gonna start scooping them.
But sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall.
So we're gonna remove our hush puppies. Alright crew, so we finished with our crab clout stuffed hush puppies. I'm gonna give y'all a famous close up, then we're gonna try it on camera and give y'all our honest opinion. Alright y'all, so we're gonna jump into the taste test. Queen gonna try it out and let y'all know what she thinks. She gonna give y'all her honest opinion.
Hey y'all. No, I'm feeling a lot here. Hey baby. Oh. Look at that.
The woman's rain.
Oh my goodness. This is good. You know what this tastes exactly like?
What?
like baked crab, like stuffed crab. You know how you have like a stuffed crab?
Yep.
Oh my goodness, this is exactly what this tastes like, a stuffed baked crab. Mm. And my grandma and mama used to make these all the time. I'm getting teary-eyed because this is exactly what it tastes like when they used to do their stuffed baked crabs in the oven. Oh my goodness. This is so good. And inside, it's moist. It's seasoned perfect. The crunchiness on the outside. This is so good.
Tastes like seafood dressing to me. Alright, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. And if you're new to the channel and seeing this for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Once you do so, click the bell, set post notifications to all, that way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Y'all already know the saying, Pops and Queen, we out. Peace.
Bye, y'all.